Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix PayPal something went wrong error. Get started, open up your browser and then tap on the three dot. Scroll below, tap on settings. Inside here, simply tap on privacy and security. Then tap on delete browsing data. Just like that, uncheck everything instead of cookies and other site data and cached and image files. And after that, you can simply set the time range to all time. Then tap on delete data. This clears damaged cache file without logging you out of PayPal. After clearing the cache, you can reload PayPal and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it still appears, you can move to the next fix. You can simply open a new tab and then search for PayPal help support. After you search for it, tap on this link and you'll see options like message us or call us. If you choose Call Us, PayPal will generate a one-time code. This code is required for phone support, so keep it private. You can call PayPal, provide the code when asked, and simply explain the issue. A support agent will help you resolve the issue directly. That's it. Those are the best ways to fix PayPal when you see something went wrong error. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.